For 25 years, PierTech has been driven by innovation. This weekend, that innovation was on full display. From hands-on training and live product demonstrations to conversations with customers, partners, and industry professionals. Celebrating together beneath the Blue Angels, it was a weekend filled with learning, connection, and unforgettable memories. Thank you to everyone who joined us. The relationships we've built over the last 25 years are the foundation of everything we do. And we're just getting started.